Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to show you how to create drawings for your models. Drawings are super important. Drawings allow us to print our models out so that someone else can build them, or so that we can have a reference while we're trying to construct a model. Drawings allow us to export our files to some different CNC equipment such as laser cutters or milling machines or 2D cuts. The drawing converts our 3D model into a 2D workable model, things such as this sketch here showing us, this drawing showing us the front, top, right side, and isometric view of our clock that is assembled, and it shows us, in this case, I've been able to create a printable drawing that I could provide as a instruction sheet for constructing the clock that we've been working on. So it allows us to set other things like tell people what materials or what finish qualities that we want out of a product. So it's a super important thing. Without further ado, we'll show you how to get this started. So in the bottom left-hand corner of your OnShape screen is a plus sign. We're going to choose Create Drawing. And for this demonstration, we're going to use the standard ANSI A inch. A is the standard 8.5 by 11 copy paper that you see in most offices and schools. Click OK. To choose that, when it opens up, you can see we've got a new tab called Drawing 1, which we can right-click and rename to whatever we want. I'm just going to call this one Demo. You can call yours what you need it to, like Clock It or whatever your part is, or your design or product is. Typically, you would name it whatever the design or project you're working on is. And then you come on over to and you see this insert box pops up automatically. If this isn't here, we can get it, access it from the insert view button. And then when you choose insert a second time, you have the ability to go through your library and find your components. Now, I have a whole lot of these things. If you're new to this, you won't have very many, but you can look at existing part studios that you've created, existing assemblies that you've created. You can look at inside your part studios. You can narrow it down to sketches, curves, parts, and entire part studios. In this case, I'm going to start off with looking at my clock assemblies. I'm going to go to Assemblies. I'm going to choose my clock. And then I'm going to choose a scale. Now, if I come over here, you can see that that looks a little small. If I'm happy with that size, then all I need to do is click and release to set it. If I'm not happy with the size, do that again, insert, assemblies, clock, and I can change my size in the view scale model. I'm going to go to half scale. I can change my view orientation for my first view. Remember that right now what I'm choosing is what the first view I'm going to place in is. So I want my front in this case, and I'm going to put it in the lower left corner, and all of my views will be driven from this one. There's my first view. And once I place that, you can see that we've gone from the Insert tab tool over to the Projected View tool. And my next click will put another view. Wherever I place the mouse and click is what view orientation is going to be selected. So I want a top view. And now you can see that no longer is it automatically picking. I'm back in my projected view option. So I'm going to go back to my front view, and I want to project a view away from the front view. So I'll click on the front view and come on over here and show the right side of that front view. Now I want a isometric view that shows these three positions all kind of merged together. So I could choose either of these, but that will wind up giving me a weird looking view that isn't what I want. That's not right. So let's go back. Let's try projected view from this one. Oh, that's definitely not right either. What's that look like? That one actually doesn't look too bad. Usually, I would come over and choose this view. And you can see I get the same thing. So both of these would be appropriate. I'll need one of them. So that's what I want. I want a view that shows the front. What I want to show is I want to show the front view. We want to show the top view. We want to show the right side view. And we want to show a isometric that shows a little bit of the front, the top, and the right all in one. There's different isometric positions, and for our purposes today, this is the one we want. The next thing I would like to do is come in and shade this. I'm going to click Show Hide. I'm going to choose Show Shaded View. And you can see what happened here is since this was selected, I want to Show Hide and Hide Shaded View on that one. I accidentally turned that one on, no big deal. I only want the shaded view on my pictorial. These are typically not provided with a shaded view. So there you have it. That's how you place some views into a sketch or into a drawing sheet. If I'd like to add additional drawing sheets, I have to expand my drawing pane on the left-hand side and choose Insert Sheet, and that will let me add new sheets to my set. And I can go up to my Insert View option and choose from all of the things we did originally. So go ahead, give that a shot, have fun, be creative, and as always, keep being awesome.